Cats basking, licking their paws while they are at it. So this is two. These are all cousins. So we have to see what to do to prevent inbreeding. I think the bonus here is mitochondria right next to me here. Licking his paws. Licking his paws. But the main act is our new kittens. There we are. Yeah. Squeaky. Squeaky. You used to take advantage of me. Because you knew because you are so frail and fragile. I used to favor you. Now you're a mother, so look at that. Look at the kitten somersaulting. Is it a flip? This is a somersault. Rolling, certainly. Yay, look at that. They're so very agile, very, very athletic. They're born athletic, basically. Even the little one is able to climb that step without any step over there, without any problem. Ginger, you ate and you spilled the food. You spilled the food down there. Ginger just came to stand in front of me, so I'm going to use his back as a prop. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. there's some action there. Further afield of Greenie and her kittens, and then the white one. Do you see the mischief she's up to over there on that step? Look at that. They need toys, right? So please subscribe to our channel so we can get them some toys. View this video, share it as much as you can. It's a very hungry cat family that we need to feed in urban Nairobi. So we need all the help we can get. There, look at the eyes. Look at the eyes. Look at the eyes. Slowly opening. Very soon they'll be beady, you know, all round and beady, fully formed. Maito, why is Ginger always whacking you like that, man? Eesh. Just fights. Just beating you up, man. So, that's not fair. That's not fair. That's our gardener, Morris. He does this, comes to tend our garden. Do you remember the videos I took in the garden? Comes to tend our gardens once a week, and today he's here.